Hello everyone, and welcome back to another exciting video of the Sublimation Focus. In today's video, we will dive into the world of 3D printers and closely examine some of the best 3D printers for clay cutters. These unique 3D printers are especially for users who want to produce intricate shapes and designs, as they can cut through clay quickly and accurately. And with that in mind, we have determined the 5 best 3D printer brands for clay cutters. We all know that a quality 3D printer can make a huge difference in the performance of your clay cutters. To help you out, we have compiled a list of the top 5 best 3D printers for clay cutters. The 3D printers are one of the most reliable and efficient 3D printers on the market, and they will give you lasting results for all your clay cutting projects. These printers can be used in any condition and handle the most demanding clay cutting tasks. For your help, we have also included the link to each 3D printer in the description box below so you can purchase them without the hassle. The best thing is that these provided links are updated daily to ensure you get the best deals in town. So without further ado, let's dive into our list. Number 1 is Creality 3D Printer Smart Pro 3D Printer. The Creality 3D Printer Large CR-10 Smart Pro 3D Printer is one of the most exciting and innovative 3D printers available today, perfect for clay cutters and enthusiasts alike. With its all-new design, this printer takes your imagination to new heights, allowing you to unleash your creativity and experience the sheer joy of 3D printing. Featuring a generous build volume of 300 by 300 by 400 millimeters, the CR-10 Smart Pro offers ample space for your clay cutter creations. But that's not all. It's equipped with a state-of-the-art HD camera and LED light, allowing you to monitor your prints in real time from anywhere. When it comes to performance, this printer truly shines. The high-quality brass nozzles can handle temperatures up to 300 degrees Celsius, providing precise extrusion and outstanding printing accuracy. With its all-metal dual-geared direct extruders, clogs have become a thing of the past, and you can experiment with a wide range of materials to bring your clay cutter designs to life. User-friendliness is a top priority with the CR-10 Smart Pro. Whether you're a seasoned professional or a beginner, the CR Touch auto bed leveling and manual bed leveling options make setup a breeze. So if you want to buy the fast and reliable 3D printer, check out the link in the description box.